Management lessons from Srikant movie. Introduction to Srikant's film and lessons. Overview. Srikant's movie showcases themes of leadership, resilience, and strategic thinking. Purpose: to explore and apply management lessons from the story and character decisions. Lesson 1: Lead with Vision. Description: the lead character is guided by a clear vision, inspiring others to believe in the goal. Business takeaway: leaders should establish a clear vision that motivates teams. Example: in business setting, a vision gives purpose and direction to team members. Lesson 2: Adaptability in crisis. Description: the protagonist faces unexpected challenges and adapts strategies to overcome them. Business takeaway: in a dynamic market, adaptability is key to survival. Example: in business, quick adjustments and strategies help overcome unforeseen challenges. Lesson 3: Team empowerment. Description: success in the movie is achieved when every team member is empowered. Business takeaway: delegating responsibilities empowers teams and fosters trust. Example: in business, assigning roles with autonomy leads to higher engagement and results. Lesson 4: Decision making under pressure. Description: the main character makes critical decisions even in high stress situations. Business takeaway: managers must make quick, informed decisions during high pressure times. Example: in business, decisive actions help navigate crises efficiently. Lesson 5: Persistence and resilience. Description: the protagonist faces setbacks but shows resilience in pursuit of the goal. Business takeaway: persistence and resilience are essential for overcoming challenges. Example: in business, staying committed despite obstacles leads to long-term success. Conclusion: management lessons from Shrikant's movie can be applied in business to build stronger leadership. Qualities like vision, adaptability, team empowerment, decision making, and resilience are crucial. By embracing these lessons, managers can inspire, guide, and support their teams more effectively. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe.